mga Kalaminians, today we're here at the grand launch of the Gaisano Capital Run, and ibaw ka mo niyang run na manang say ang guana ni Run Strong Hakot Later. So this is the run by Gaisano Capital, and it's gonna be held on October 3, 2026. Nagmao ni mga race kits, guys. Tanawa, cool kaayo sa men's. I like it. So nina mo kaning shorts din wala ilabot sa race kits, but of course dali mga Gaisano Capital man mga hakot. And right now ang entry is 680 for kids, 1K, 4K is 880, 8K is 1080, and 16K ang longest distance is 1,280. Oh, so mao na. And you know, mao na naghuwat na sa start sa press con, but before mag press con nangaon pa mga tao, they're eating, and you know, mas nindot na mag press con kuno na busog. So man enjoy kay ako mga friends dire, but while my other friends are nagsugod naghakot dire, nagsugod na sila hakot-hakot. Oh man ito, oh man grabe na kayo yung mga ng hakot may okay na bye, thank you. Hakot lagi yun, hakot. Sige, hakot na lang na ito. Kaya mga hakot mo niya siya, mga hatag mo ni. So na yung mga shampoo. So di ba, tanawa, nakikipang hakot. Di ba? Samtang uban, sige pagkaon, kami sige hakot. Hakot. So lahi ragit kaning dagana kayo. Sige na panghakot. Na yung shampoo, na yung Empress, Vitres, Unilever products. So di ba? Awesome kayo. Kumana.
Ay, pinalami kimihan na patent ko ang ay, hello, kalamisi po.
Hello.
So, Christian, hinurot ba yan mo? Sir, ako.
Good, grabe na kay hakot nila, oh. Grabe na kay hakot. So, mga hakot patag. So, mga shampoo. So, grabe kilang hakot, oh. Mga itag mga shampoo, oh, kana. Bisa gwa tay buhok, way buhok, mga may shampoo. Sige na ko siya katawa na ako, kaya nga ko na mo. Magsige ko shampoo ko na mo, ting maupaw noon. Oh, ano yung keratin, ganun ka keratin, mga itag keratin. Mga itag keratin nila. Ay, ikaw kaya keratin, oy, hola, paita, oy. Giiko man ko, ano na. So ngani kadi pa ilang mga shampoo ng Vitres. Oh, mao na. So with regular use.
Ako award mo.
Ko. Mahatag na sila.
Guys, October 3 ang dagat dili October 3 ko to ang sirin ninyo.
Para ignan lang.
Kaguol.
Sige lang, ikaw bahala. Oh, wala. Uy, tanawa ra. Oh, ha? Oh, bahala na. Oh, katawan sa kunila. Saan nga kay ano ko na sige ko kuha. Oh, mana hakot tanawang lakimi, ilag yung gibirahan ang lakimi to. Hello, grabe ani nila.
Ate, ako yun ha.
Sige lang. Okay. So, pa nang sugod ang fun run. Nagkagubot na. Oh, may na lang. Kuha na sila.
Thank you so much, Lucky Me.
Awara.
Ako din ko Lucky. Kaya mura ko sa
Thank you. So, mana, wapay dagan. Enjoy na kayo, eh.
Thank you.
Diba?
Basin bitawin yung mga question na kay about sa Lucky Me ha.
Alright. Oo na.
From the management, thank you for coming us. For our partners, media and the bloggers, thank you very much for coming here. We're really grateful and very happy to have to ngayon today we are officially announced our run on October 3. I hope you will be ready. It is because we are trying na taasan namin yung target for the run this year. Para madami din makatry because we have on my side is our beneficiary na gusto namin tulungan. Last Sunday, I really feel the emotions. It is because of the student life yung ginawa natin. Sabi ko, Madaming bata pa ang matulungan natin, na mabigyan natin ng magandang kinabukasan, even in the short na health natin. So guys, Sano Capital chooses the student life, and it's because of their very heartfelt na yung sincere na binibigay nila para sa mga tao na nangangailangan. Kasi special needs yun. Hindi yung basta bata lang, scholar, yung talino nandoon. Yung mga special needs, alam mo, nagkausap ko yung principal, sabi niya, alam mo sir, yung mag-tantrum ang bata, ang hirap-hirap. Pero they are controlling, and we're happy na kilala mo si Ma'am Ann and Sir Ayan para mabuksan yung mga mata ko para sa better na madami pa palang matulungan. Madami pa palang nangangailangan ng tulong natin. And I hope with the help of you, ma-spread natin yung balita that we have a run for a cause. It's not for a run, na para run strong and hakot later. Yung part namin, ibibigay namin yung kaligayahan nyo for the grocery and freebies. Gagandahin namin yung event. But behind all this, nandito si Student Life. Hello? Nandito si Student Life na tutulungan natin. And we're preparing, this is our 40th year anniversary of Sano Capital. And we want more next year. I want bigger pa, mas maganda pa dito. Actually, it's our first time na mag-launch ng, guys, we are 9 years in the industry. But this is the first time na ilo-launch namin. Because last time, sa previous run namin, is only for our suppliers, our employees, our partners, but we want madami palang community runners dito sa Cebu City. So, I'm not from Cebu, kaya I'm not familiar totally. So, but I hope you will participate us, you will join, because our cause na pinaglalaban namin ngayon. Thank you and good afternoon.
My name is Ian and I represent the Student Life Organization. Student Life Organization has been established for the last 2 years. I started as an individual contributor, not a contributor, but helping kids belong to the poorest of the poor. So 3 years ago or 2 years ago, I met these 4 students in Davao City. I'm actually a solo traveler, so I used to travel alone. But then, when I was in Davao, so I met this 4 student who was left behind by their parents. And they were introduced to me and started giving them support. You know, not really full support as financial, but at least every month you can give something to them that can help their study. And then later on, going back here in Cebu, I met Anne in one of the foundations as well. And then we have the same passion, concern, and also willingness to help kids, especially with those special disabilities. I have a nephew who is actually with autism, same as with Anne. So our main goal is actually to help and reach out more students, not just PWD students, but all across students from elementary to college that we would like to support. But currently, we're focusing more in reaching out more of the PWD students because they are the most, sector that needs our help. Actually, before coming here, we just went to Barangay Luz, spent